Good morning. It's Tokyo, day 6. It's 1 p.m. and we just left the house because we were packing up the place because today the landlord is gonna drop off. Hey! And Alexis's friend is coming tomorrow. Exciting stuff! So we're like 2 stops away from Ueno and the train suddenly just like both sides that we can take, both of the trains that we can take suddenly stop. And we don't know what's going on because it's all in Japanese and everyone is just getting off the train. And I don't know why, Lex, why? I've only had Japanese friend arrive like 1 day earlier. We're just gonna decide what to do now and buy more green tea because detox, then you pee out the good one. Hello people, we are at Ueno market and it is so crowded because it's Saturday and you can see the buildings, they're really pretty. We're still deciding on what food we're gonna eat. But yeah, more touch time, bitch! We're at some random restaurant now and we're eating curry. And the people next to us are watching me vlog. We ordered katsu curry, we ordered hamburg steak. It's drizzling outside, so we don't know what to do. But Fuji-bachi.
So slow.
Hi, we're in some technology building now and we're trying to find our RDAs to connect our Tamagotchi to our...
Lay my head to
Right. What you want to buy? One piece again?
That's right.
Holy crap! So this is what Japanese people come up with. 3D boobies to grip whenever you're using the phone. Entertain, bitch. Dance like him. Nameko, nameko, nameko. Funashi, nameko, funashi, nameko. Funashi, nameko. Nameko everywhere. This is the touch detective girl. Nameko. Funashi. Put my hand. Put my hand.
No one will hold your hand.
Rudimental. It's been a really rainy day. And I bought unnecessary shit. And we are really bored, so like we tried to find the candy shop, the big candy shop, but we couldn't. So now we're just gonna eat because we're bored. We're not even that hungry, just bored. Yeah. 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 So I bought this bottle of gum and when I looked inside there was a pad of paper. What is the paper for, you might ask? Well, the paper is to wrap your gum after chewing. Oh my god, That is genius, Japan. Round of applause for you.
But today we see the eat a lot. You never. Today I'm hungry. I'm damn hungry. I don't know why.
Nice.
でございます。どうぞ。今取り皿を持ちますね。
はい。ありがとうございます。
Oh my god, guys, this is all day.
Started raining really heavily, so we ran into this random udon shop, and they had like fried veggie, fried mixed vegetables, and fried chicken. So we stopped for some, and I braved the rain to get us umbrellas. This is scarier than Disneyland. They're embarrassed of me. Just having a little fun in the train. Fucked up, man. I really didn't fucked up. Hello, mother. I never said the F word. It's true. I thought this was high level. That is higher level. No handlebars on 5-inch stilettos. No, come on, no hands. Getting us a little bit.
She thinks it's really fun.
Getting a bit vigorous here. We're back in the apartment. I'm so lazy to vlog, but I just finished editing. I just finished editing day 2's vlog. Wow, I'm going to upload it now, and it's day 5.
I let down her hair especially for this. She left it down.
Yeah, I was in a
She
bun.
doesn't look pretty.
I want to look pretty for you guys. Anyway, my eye is red, that's why I'm wearing glasses. What's your friend's name? Japanese friend. Yui! Mentaiko desu! Yui?
Yui Marushima.
Alexis's friend Yui is coming tomorrow at 6 AM, and we're going to entertain her, and you can see her in the vlog, and she's gonna make bento off the Korean music. We're in Japan.
Can I play some Japanese music? I play it.
Hello, closing vlog is already 1 minute long. Okay, anyway guys, see you tomorrow. I love you so much.
What happened to your charger?
Good night.